Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dear members, trainers up member. Okay, so this video is going to be a very short one. I just want to show you how you can screen out the Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange stock NYSE, IENYSE stocks very easily and safely. Okay, so the first thing first, we always do the SGX and the KL Bursa stock, right? Then you are waiting for the live alerts that will trigger throughout the day. Like for example, today right now, it's like at 9:36 a.m. There isn't any stocks that is being triggered right now because it's too early. Also, throughout the day, all the telegram will come in, the live alert will come in. But what about US stock? Now, US stock, basically, you don't want them to shout alert to you when you're sleeping overnight, correct? Also, what you want to know is over the last few days, what is going on? Okay, sorry, not last few days, last night, what's going on? So you can come here. Okay, guys, come to the live alerts. This is the button, the menu button, right? You come here and then you select, okay, the first one, Nasdaq. Okay, once you go to Nasdaq, you see that I have not selected anything because I want to show you how to do it. Don't do Telegram. You do Telegram, it's going to wake you up at night. Okay, Telegram good for Singapore and Bursa stock daytime. We can react to the signal. We can take the trade, but don't do it for at night unless you are driving Grab or you are doing night shift. Then you want to monitor real time. You can do it. Otherwise, you go to web alert. You can see this magic going to happen soon. Guys, can you see now? Wait, before we go through the results, let me go to the New York Stock Exchange to activate the web alerts as well. Okay, after you done your homework, what you need to do is to disable them because it's going to crowd your list. Okay, and by 12 p.m. local time, it will be erased. Okay, so because at midnight, I think the alerts will be all taken out and refreshed for Wall Street. Okay, so these are all the stocks that triggered overnight. Okay, and they are triggered from the ESPMaster signal. Let's take a look at the very first one. First one. Okay, so the very first one would be this Nasdaq stock, Benedict Biopharma. Okay, this is the industry, biotech, packaged food, travel industry. So biotech, as I was telling you, if you open up, you see no trend, you avoid. Okay, despite there is signal. Guys, signals are not bulletproof, are not magic. You still need to know the industry, what you are going to trade, okay, which I have already conveniently created for you over here, Wall Street ETF. And then you can go and look for the bullish industry and you then find and match the industry that is bullish. Then only you trade. Like for example, ACM research. Just now I was taking a look at ACM research. Semiconductor. You know how the SMH is right now? Correct or not? You know that this is bullish. We have been talking about this in our Monday night meeting. Okay, it's going up, follow through buying. So SMH semiconductor. So when you receive an alert like this, okay, this is the TrendMaster signal. This is the TrendMaster signal. So if you have missed the earlier signal, this was the latest one, which is on the 6th of October. Okay, 6th of October. So this is 9th of October. So this is last Friday. Okay, last Friday there was signal. Then Monday, there isn't anything going on. There is no VT. Okay, remember when the stock trigger VT, then the stock will appear in your live alerts list. Okay, so these stocks in the list over here all triggered VT overnight. So how do you use the information now? Either you set your VT and your trading platform, be it Interactive Brokers or your Tiger mobile Tiger Brokers or whatever broker you're using, you can set advanced alerts and you wait for the signal to trigger. Or what you want to do is like, for example, ACM, I did not buy it. I was in AMD instead. So, but this stock, earnings is good in the right industry, so I'm interested. Okay, so tonight you are looking at this stock trading at resistance. Okay, now again, multi-time frame, go to your weekly chart and confirm that this is bullish or not. Okay, and whether does it have any reason to go up technically. Then you go to the daily chart to find your entry. Okay, daily chart, find your entry. So this is obviously a breakout play. Okay, ideally you would have bought it last night. Okay, after the signal comes out and during the night when it was trading up, you would have gotten it. But because you are sleeping, you cannot react. Sometimes the move starts late. after midnight, right? So what you want to do is tonight, you can start to monitor this stock because this stock has triggered VT. Now, you just imagine over here. Okay, imagine you got triggered the stock right here. You do the next day swing like what I'm doing right now. This stock triggered VT, okay, and you didn't buy it, right? And you wait for the next day. If next day trades higher, breakout play, you enter the stock, you buy the stock. Okay, this is how you do it. And the red line, of course, is what you use to trail the position. Trail the position. And also, if it hits the red line, a price will be printed. So this is where the learning kicks in, right? You know how to use the information, then go ahead, use it as your profit stop, use it as your stop loss. Okay, so in conclusion, if you want to trade the Wall Street, the ESPMaster has that capability. Okay, and you want to know what happened last night. Okay, some signals doesn't mean last night signal comes out, right? Then immediately, oh gosh, see the signal has been taken out already because this what? Haven't 10 a.m. yet. Okay, so the alert should still be there. Okay, I have to speak to the IT to maintain the alerts there so that we can do until 12 p.m. All right, so some alerts are like VT, right? We are monitoring the signal. For example, this signal comes out, right? We are monitoring the VT level for up to 10 days. So during the next 10 days, if the stock triggered our entry requirement, it will appear in your list for Wall Street stocks. Okay. For Singapore Bursa stock, you're used to it. If a signal comes out, there is no VT, you just wait. Only react when the stock come into the list. Like yesterday, we had quite a lot of signals from the property sector, construction sector in Bursa, right? And today, okay, today, let me give you an example. Today in SGX, okay, you go to SGX, you go to our results. Oops. We go to our results right here. Okay, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Right? Okay, let me just do a refresh. There you go. Okay. So you see today, right? Out of these three stocks, this one caught my attention because it has got the BIC pattern that we are looking for. Okay, the BIC pattern that we are looking for, both on the weekly and the daily chart. Okay, so the signal was last night. Okay, not last night, 10th of October, which is Tuesday. So today we are waiting for the Telegram to come into the live alerts. Okay, now see the NYSE Nasdaq come out already. So we're waiting for the alerts to come into the live alerts. And because right now, even though the price is climbing by, how much is that? By 1 cent, there isn't sufficient, it haven't met our entry criteria yet. Okay, so see, so far no alert triggered. So we are waiting for it to trigger. Once it triggers, you will receive a live alerts in your ESPMaster. And if you are not at your desktop, if you're not at your desk, not at your desktop, if you're not at your desk, then it will also send an alert to your Telegram. Okay, so you watch out for it. So that's all for the video. Any question, leave a comment below. And those of you who find this video useful, you can always help me out by liking the video and then share this video to your friends who are also interested in investment and trading. Thank you very much. See you at the next video.